Hello. So today we're basically wrapping up what we've said this whole week. And that's basically all about the Children's Fire and putting the children's needs in the center of all our decisions. And so what I want to say about this is that basically it's not just the kids need to do it too. The kids need to be the ones who actually say things and actually say, this is what I want, this is what I value, and you guys aren't doing it for me. And we need to do it in effective ways. So not like screaming and stomping our feet on the ground, because we all know that doesn't work, sadly. And we need to find effective ways to tell our part of the story and say what we want to say. And yeah. So, Jack, what do you have to say about that?
So one of the things that we need to remember, that parents need to remember, is that it's not all on the children. They're not the only ones that need to be doing this. Because it's hard for them to start and finish and go through with the effort of talking to their parents in respectful ways.
The parents need to listen.
And so the parents need to help, and they need to listen, and maybe what if we all could do it together? What if the parents and the children could both find good solutions together?
Dean, what do you have to say about this?
So, it's not just our parents that are in charge. It's us, kids, and it's not about the parents and the kids too. It's like the teachers and the workers, all those people. And so, what I have to do, and we have to do, is stand up for the future of our little one, of the children, and make their future really happen, and do, no matter what happens, do it for their good.
And I have another thing to say. So, I can't vote, and neither can Dean or Eva, and we can't get a job. And so the only way to make an actual, big difference in the economy and, the grown-up world is through our parents. And thus, through talking to them about our values and finding a common spot where their values meet ours.
And there's this big, and so what I'm getting from what we all said, was that basically we all need to work together and love each other, right, Dean?
And put
Yes.
the Children's Fire in the middle of what we do
With warm
and
hugs.
all the actions we take so that it can guide us.
With warm hugs.
And so there's a leadership concept, and I love the warm hugs thing, Dean. And there's a leadership concept that is the what if concept. And a lot of people use it, and a lot of big companies use it. And it's basically like, what if the future was like this? what would we do then? How would we act? How would life be? And the Children's Fire is like the biggest what if thing there is. It's like, what if we listened to what the children wanted to have? What if we put the Children's Fire in the middle of all of our decisions and everything? And so, as Dean said, warm hugs to you all, and
Goodbye.
we hope you have an amazing weekend and Friday. Bye-bye.
And we will see you next week, probably.
Warm hugs.
Warm hugs.
Maybe.